concerned. In fact, remember, after Maharashtra Deputy CM had offered to resign and Fadnavis likely to visit the national capital today. In fact, Fadnavis may meet Modi and Amit Shah is the latest that we're picking up. This is, remember, the decision after the flop show in Maharashtra, wherein Devendra Fadnavis in that press conference yesterday went on to take responsibility for the same. It's very important to note here that BJP won 9 of the 48 seats in Maharashtra, which clearly went on to show what a poor show of display they did have in these Lok Sabha polls. And having said that, after Maharashtra Deputy CM offered to resign, we are picking up that he's likely to going to be visiting the national capital. Remember, this morning, as far as his entire development is concerned, we were picking up that he's also been getting support from his ally Eknath Shinde. But having said that, in the larger picture, we are picking up that after this particular statement that was made by Devendra Fadnavis, that he is likely to meet Amit Shah as well as Narendra Modi. And what we are also given to understand is that this decision clearly is after the flop show in Maharashtra, and which is why he's going to be visiting the national capital. Just drawing more perspective as to the comment that he did make as far as this is concerned is with the fact that he said that he's going to be taking the responsibility for all the trouble that BJP faced in the state. In fact, he said that he not only takes the responsibility for it, but he requested the leaders of the BJP to relieve him from the duties, from his particular duties, so that he can work towards fulfilling his responsibilities. And he also did state in that particular press conference that he will make sure to make the party better, that is the BJP, because somewhere down the line he feels responsible for the poor show that the party did have in terms of the Lok Sabha polls in Maharashtra. Remember, a lot that happened right ahead of the Lok Sabha polls this year, whether you're talking about the fact that there were many turncoats or with the splits, and somewhere down the line that really impacted the overall performance of them, because which is why the Maharashtra Deputy CM did go on to make two big statements. Of course, he did address a press conference and stated a lot of other factors. He also believed one of the key factors which could have resulted into this was that the farmers' agitation, remember, that has been happening for the past couple of months, did not go in the favor, and there was more sympathy wave that went towards the Uddhav Thackeray faction. Having said that, with the fact that now he might be in the national capital, let me take that point to my colleague Shivani. Shivani, good morning. Clearly, this is coming a day after what we know in terms of how he wanted to take full responsibility of the poor show in Maharashtra. But having said that, what are we picking up? Is he going to be in the national capital? Is he going to be meeting Modi and Amit Shah?
Well, as of now, this decisive discussion that will be held with Devendra Fadnavis, the DCM of Maharashtra, is something that we all are looking at because he will be meeting the Prime Minister and the Home Minister to discuss his further decisions and the kind of responsibility that the Neta has taken over him. Clearly, we have seen that how NDA has clearly failed in Maharashtra. No matter the alliances were made with Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, but which successfully did not give those margin which NDA was expecting, and that is why the largest party in Maharashtra's NDA is the BJP, and that's why Devendra Fadnavis has taken the complete responsibility of it. And yesterday also he announced that he wants to get off from all the positions, the designation that he has in the party, and will be catering to the party to grow it in Maharashtra on the ground level. And that is what has been opposed by multiple Maharashtra-based BJP leaders, and that is why to discuss it further, now Devendra Fadnavis is expected today in the national capital to meet the supremos and the high commands of the BJP, so that a concisive decision can be taken for the Maharashtra BJP, for the Maharashtra NDA. Clearly, we have seen that how the alliance partner yesterday with the NDA meeting have also extended their full support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his third tenure, third regime as a Prime Minister. But as of now, if Devendra Fadnavis gets down from his position position, it will be a big, example that will be settled in front of other state leaders as well, that they have to take the responsibility. Though sources also tell us that the NDA, especially the BJP, will be taking a call with all the state presidents of the BJP where the performance have been lagged in this Lok Sabha 2024 election, and that is what now Devendra Fadnavis will be discussing, that if Prime Minister or HM will agree to his demands of getting off from the designation, or again he will be retained to continue those responsibility. That is something that we all are seeing at, because we have to remember very well when even Eknath Shinde was joining the alliance of NDA in Maharashtra, at that very time as well, it was Devendra Fadnavis who stated
Right, Shivani.
that I will be supporting the government from outside but won't be an active part of the government.
All right, so
which
he's
was
essentially
later
taking responsibility, but how will this pan out? We'd have to wait and watch, Shivani. But thank you so much for getting us those details. Let's leave it at that for the moment.